Oh, that's my shoes. So I'm gonna clean out my closet today.
Editing Destiny here. So I know my hair is a lot shorter. I didn't really explain it, but I did manage to get a haircut in the nearly 2 months that I've been gone from YouTube.
Okay. Hey guys, it's Destiny. So I know I haven't filmed in a while. I don't really like filming much anymore. So I'm gonna clean out my closet today. I'm gonna let you guys on a little secret. I'm a little bit of a hoarder. I thought I was gonna go clean it out. And I am gonna have red leather on in the background. So I'm probably gonna have a lot of this video muted because I don't want to get copyrighted by Red Leather, even though he's an independent artist. I don't want to risk it. I do love Red Leather though. I mean, I literally went to his concert that happened here in Reno, Nevada. That's where I live. So let me just give you like a brief tour of what it currently looks like. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna just... That's not counting the other side, by the way, but that's not counting the other side. But I still want to get it cleaned out because I need to get rid of some of this stuff. If it does not kindle joy, throw it away.
If it doesn't kindle joy, throw it away.
Okay, so I'm currently on the floor. I need to get rid of a lot of this stuff. And I know if I record it, then I could be held accountable. I am keeping the paintings though, because these took me a long ass time to do. Especially this one right here. Both of these right here took me a very long time. Okay. So much shit on my floor. This is gonna pain me to let go. Or I could probably just put it on my mirror, but... And the reason why is because this was the wristband for Red Leather back when he came to perform in his hometown of Reno, Nevada. I know this is completely random, but there was like a lot of things that I literally just went through. By the way, that is my keep pile. That is my keep pile. My throwaway pile is very small, but that's just because all that is currently shoes, paintings, blankets, and bags. So I will shift through it all later. But right now, gotta get to all this. And to get all this, I have to do everything else. Okay, so I got this before the start of my junior year of high school, and I like it, but I don't know. I don't know if I should keep it or not, because I barely wear it anymore. So this has been in my family for a very long time. It was passed down from my sisters, and I got a hold of it. And I love it so much. There's just so many holes in it now. Like... just so many holes. Now, I used to wear it all the time in my old pictures and to school, and now I can't because it's ruined, so throw away. That just hurt a lot. Right here is the dress I wore to my high school graduation. We still have the other side. Old pictures and stuff, by the way. I'm gonna throw all this out. And then the cardboard is what I use for painting. Like, if I paint in my room, I don't want to get paint on the carpet, so I use the cardboard. That is for my guitar, which you probably saw earlier hanging on my wall. we're gonna go to the back now and decide what to throw away. So I'm gonna figure all this shit out real quick, you know, get my throwaway pile cleaned up a little bit, fix all my hangers, throw them somewhere before they all break. So I'm gonna go do that real quick. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned, but I actually got this idea from an old video by Josie Buchanan, and I used to watch it like all the time because I'm like, I actually like how she's cleaning out her closet and, you know, making things look nicer. So I'm gonna do that. And well, I'm like 6 years too late, but yeah. There's like a ton of shit everywhere. I couldn't even close my door just now, but my keep pile is definitely a lot bigger than my throwaway pile, which is on the other side of my feet. So we're gonna get this done. We are gonna get this done because I want to get my room looking a little bit nicer. I actually feel a lot better. So I'm gonna finish cleaning out the rest of my closet. These are an automatic toss trash. All of it. All my musical shit. So I'm probably gonna keep this. I just don't really know. I am gonna keep it though, so because I have to. So piano stand. These for the room divider that I use for my like bed frame, kind of. I don't really know how else to describe it, but throw away. I don't want it. Guitar case. I am gonna have to keep it. I'm not gonna get rid of anything today. So next is the top shelf of my closet, but first I have to, you know, throw all of my keep pile somewhere else so I can walk in this room. So let me do that real fast. I honestly might throw it out because this is from my old church and well, so I had so many friends. No, they just wanted to sign my yearbook. I stole this from my math teacher. Mr. Woodside, if you're watching this, sorry, but it's gonna go in the trash. Wait, gift, from Shannon. It was supposed to be a doorstop. It did not work, by the way, but, it's a throwaway gift, as you can clearly tell. To Caleb from Shannon. She didn't even spell his name right. Oh wow, I even still have my controversial government assignment on abortion. And then I will go through this. Okay, so now currently my bed is littered with paintings and clothes, and my floor is littered with shoes, hangers, and a bunch of other shit. So I'm gonna start putting all my clothes back in the closet after I hang a lot of them up, the ones I kept anyway. But I'm gonna start with the jackets and the gowns I hung on the door. So. After fucking ever, it is done, and I have a shit ton of things in the hallway, but let me just show you real quick just how it looks. Okay, so literally look how much space there is and how many empty hangers. Like, that's how much clothes I got rid of. But Look at that shit. So I have 3 trash bags, a shit ton of big things out there. Okay, so I got the rest of the trash out. My closet's completely clean. So thank you for watching this video. Give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. So I did manage to clear a pretty decent walkway.
How about a clear path to dinner, bitch?